What is up, people? It is Kyrie Naveau from the All That Podcast and Albert Diaz from the Financial Road Trip. And today we are coming to tell you guys some sex tips. Isn't that right, Albert?
Are you guys ready?
Yes. It's a lot
Pen and paper.
Pen and paper. Get this down. It's going to change your life. These sex tips. We have advice from the best sexologists in the world. No, we're giving you money tips, guys, which is the next best thing.
I bet everybody was like, man, I bet we're going to retain a lot more.
They tricked me with the title of this video.
Like, I'm ready to watch everything. Nah, it's money tips. Boring
tips.
stuff, right?
Yeah, but the next best thing behind sex tips.
It is. Money, money, money.
Right.
Okay, so we're going to be touching base on 4 areas in order to achieve a financial success, financial independence, financial freedom, whatever you call it. Just imagine it's a chair resting on 4 legs. You're not gonna sit down on a chair that is missing 1 leg, correct?
Correct.
Will you do that?
I will not.
Okay, so
unless I'm trying to sue.
Ooh.
Yeah.
Money, money.
Exactly.
Money tips. No, that's not a money tip.
Sue, people. Sue.
First leg. The first leg is cash flow. Understand ins and outs, money. So that's key. Remember, at the end of your financial journey, you would like to be free of debt. So that's another one.
Yes,
Debt
we want to be
management.
free of debt. I don't know if any of you guys watching has seen the movie Friday, but there's this character named Big Worm in that movie. And the character played by Chris Tucker, who is named Smokey, owed Big Worm some money. So Big Worm would roll up on Chris Tucker and say, "Where's my money, Smokey?" So the moral of the story is you don't want any big worms rolling up on you in your life. So
Definitely not.
get rid of that debt.
Third leg, protection. Get an insurance to protect your family in case you're not there. 4-1, emergency fund. You have to create a fund for
Emergencies. Boom. Mind blowing.
exactly.
Yes.
And the 5th one, you gotta make more money. Pretty much. You want to achieve financial success, there's 2 ways. You spend less or make more money. If you know another option, we're trying to find that one.
Yeah.
So let's go a little bit into each one of those 4 legs. So the first one was cash flow.
Right.
Budgeting. Harry, any
Which
tips?
is the hardest thing to do. Budgeting. But you just have to make a decision at the end of the day. Like, what is your goal when it comes to your finances? What do you want to do? I'm not gonna lie to you, it's difficult. Just being real, I'm still trying to learn myself, but it is vital in your journey to getting financially free. Budgeting.
There's plenty information out there. There's plenty options. Envelope things where you categorize everything. Applications on your phone. Everybody's big on that. Who does envelope now, right? So remember, understand your living expenses. Pay yourself first, and then allocate a certain amount of money percentage-wise for getting out of debt.
Tell them what that means, though, because when people hear pay yourself first, they're like, what? It's like foreign. What does that mean to pay yourself first?
That means that you save for your future.
Bam. Before you pay
money-
other people, pay yourself.
Yes, and that actually will take care of your emergency fund. You know, start thinking about you. Start thinking about your retirement plan. Start thinking about your emergency fund. That's what pay yourself first means. Not pay yourself to go and buy a new set of gloves like some people that I know.
Yeah.
Yeah, whatever. Okay. So the third one, protection, life insurance. We're just not gonna go much into detail because if that doesn't make sense to you, I mean, you got issues. Your issues got issues.
Just turn off the video.
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay. So 4-1. I forgot which one is the 4-1.
I think.
Oh, it was emergency fund. We already talked about
Yeah,
that.
we're gonna talk. That's why you forgot his emergency fund.
Yeah, exactly. I'm like, there's no 401. No, but we're gonna give you a new one, right? It's increase your cash flow.
Yeah.
Make more money. I mean, there's so many options out there that you can make money from home. Just find what's your passion. Our passion is to help people. Our passion is to share information about how to be successful, financially speaking, how to protect your family, how to just get to retirement age. And let's call it plan B, or the next step. Not retirement. The retirement sounds like we are obsolete, and we are not.
Right.
So we're just help people plan the next step of their life.
Exactly.
And if you would like to learn about how we work from home, how we have fun, how we help people, and we're in the business of 6-figure the first year, just reach out to Kari.
Reach out to me, and I will reach back out.
He will. Believe me. So
For sure.
please share with us any type of tips, any life events that have happened to you, what made you realize you were not planifying properly. We want everybody to learn from everybody. So like, subscribe, comment, share.
And avoid a big worm at all costs.
Yeah, I don't want worms. Anyway.
Where's my money, Smokey? You don't want that problem.
Peace out.
Peace.